What's up, guys? So today's video, we have this fan here. We're doing a full wrap on it. Well, we're not doing the roof and we're not doing the hood, but other than that, everything's getting wrapped. I've already wrapped the bottom piece here, those bottom pieces disassembled. Just gonna clean it a little bit more, and then we are going to do a full wrap on this. So door handles out. Those are so easy to take out. You might as well take them out on these vans. Same with like little things like this little piece. This is more of a pain to take off, so we'll leave it, and we can easily work around that. You can easily tuck in there, get around here. Here we'll go probably just around like that with knifeless. Here, this way we can wrap into here all the way. You'll see no white afterwards, except for I'm pretty sure we're printing a different white. So it's kind of ironic and funny. But yeah, we're gonna wrap this thing today. I don't know how much I'm gonna do like talking head video or talking to you guys about the video. It may just be lots of time lapse or still video. I do plan on getting like a GoPro or something so I can stick that on my chest and just wrap and then do like voiceover stuff. This one might be just a voiceover, me talking about what I'm doing as I'm doing it, so I can just hammer down on the wrap and film, but not have to be paying attention to the filming too much until I get, some sort of better system with this whole place. So hope you guys enjoy. So for anyone wondering what film I'm using here, we are using Arlon SLX Plus. It's probably one of my favorite print medias. Well, it is my favorite print media to work with. So that's what we're using here. We got it laminated with the 3200 series laminate. So here you guys can see my film mocked up upper part on the Benjamin Moore side. Just explaining my wrinkles there. I need to glass it a little more, and it's not quite lined up at this point. So here you can see the logo. That's like the most crucial thing that I need to line up on the side. And with a little cutting, didn't want to quite line up here at this point yet. I did have to make a cut on the top of the film right by the door seam, which is fine because there's a seam there anyway. And I was able to get it lined up perfectly, and you cannot tell. So it is perfect. So here we go. We're just going top up, but we're leaving the middle section not squeegee down at this point. And then we'll come back and start from the middle, and then we'll leave about a squeegee length by where the groove is, the recess area, and then we'll heat up away from the recessed area, and then squeegee inside of there. So that's the technique that I do. And then So yeah, here I'm heating up and pushing down into that groove, but I'm heating up on the top part, not the bottom where my wrap glove and my finger are. That way you're not stretching that, you're stretching the rest of the film, and you won't have failures that way. So that's what I've always done with this sort of thing. That's because that's what I was taught, so I've never had issues with that. So here you guys see me putting on 2 white squares, and those are laminated SLX plus, just like the rest of the film. So pretty much what this does is this stops the distortion or stretch, you could say, of the edge of the film there when you're going into that groove. Yeah, so it takes the stretch instead of stretching the printed film. We got another door cup. Door cups are always fun. Give it a wrap glove, heat it up, and just have a good time. That's really what door cups are. Anyone that's wrapped a door cup knows it's just a good time. Well, getting close to done here. We have 1 panel, 1 left to go. So, I know I didn't film a lot of this, but from what you guys did, what do you guys think so far? We did not design this. This was sent over to us. I personally think they could have used a better blue or a better water. I'm not gonna say too much about it, but I'm just happy my install is going good. Other than me smashing my knee a little while ago, which that sucked. But gotta get this panel up, lined up. We'll rock her out. And I'll show you guys the whole thing. Well, there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mainly time-lapse video, I guess. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I got more real content video coming, which I mean, more videos where I will actually talk to you guys more, not just time lapse and then do voiceover. But still, hope you guys enjoy this. This is the only way I was going to get content of this one. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Comment your thoughts down below. Peace.